Guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and it's that time of the day of the month again where I get to share with you guys the top Android apps for the month of February. So let's begin. So the first one is called Sunrise Companion. So Sunrise Companion is a super simple app which tell you what time the sunrise is coming up in your area and what time the sunset is coming down in your area as well. So you could, of course, choose your location, of course, to see what time the sunrise is going up. Or if you want, you could check out other locations around the world as well, which is pretty awesome if maybe you're traveling or something, or you just are interested on what time the sunrise is in different parts of the world there. And you have some cool things where you could go into the future. So in the top right corner, you have this little calendar area where you get to see what time the sunrise and sunset is gonna happen in that time of the day. So you could go about maybe even like a month or two if you want, or a whole year if you want to. I like just to see throughout the week. So I don't really have to go check that much forward. But Sunrise Companion, it's a really nicely designed app, super simple to easy to read as well. So you have three categories. You have your date, and then you have your sunrise area, then you have your sunset area. And then of course you have some special notices, so like what day is daylight saving time, so you know what time to change the clock forward or backward, whatever it is. And yeah, it's just a really nicely designed app, super easy to read, and yeah, cool looking app, and I highly recommend you guys check this app out. Next, we have a wallpaper app called AMOLED Walls Pro. So AMOLED Walls Pro, you probably already saw this, me doing a video about this app. It's just a really cool looking app that has some unique, awesome wallpaper designs. And if you have an AMOLED phone, this wallpaper app, I highly recommend you guys go check this one out. Even if you guys don't have an AMOLED supported phone, it still looks really nice on those devices as well. So there's a ton to choose from, and there's probably something that you might like here in this app. So yeah, it's just a really fantastic wallpaper app. Next, we have an icon pack called BigSpic. So BigSpic is a gradient style icon pack that is really cool, nicely designed. The developer made 4 different versions of this type of icon pack within the icon pack. So you have 4 different icon designs. So you have square, you have circle, you have squirrel, if I'm pronouncing that right, and then you have aligned designed. So you have different versions for different types of icons. So if you want to change it up, you could change it up with this icon pack as well and make it your own style. Thanks to Bixpic, if I'm pronouncing that right. Next, we have Airbattery. So Airbattery is a fantastic Android app. I did a video about this app a while back. If you're an AirPod user or even a Beats 3 or Powerbeats 3 user, this app, I highly recommend you guys go check this app out because it allows you to check the battery life within Android, because for some reason Android has not yet released a feature about that where you can check the battery life on your third-party earphones. And this developer has made it so that you can do that with your AirPods or your Beats X or your Powerbeats. So yeah, it's just a really fantastic app to have and to use. I use it every day, of course, to check how much battery life I have on my Beats X when I'm using it while I'm listening to music or to podcast. Next, we have Agenda. So Agenda is a fantastic widget for your Android smartphone. It's by one of the top Android developers out there who have created some great Android apps that you probably have heard of. And this is his latest app. So Agenda is a simple widget that, of course, shows your calendar events in a really nice, simple way. And it's just a really fantastic, great looking app. The developer has been updating it. It's fairly new. He released it in the last week of February. But yeah, it's just a really fantastic calendar app. If you're a busy person and you use the calendar a lot, I highly recommend you guys go check out Agenda. And next and not least, we have Product Hunt. So Product Hunt is an amazing place to go check for some cool stuff in the tech world. So like top Android apps, iOS apps, or other random technology stuff, or even non-technology stuff like books and all that stuff. They have released an Android app. It's still in beta, but it works really nice. It's an unreleased version of it. Super simple design, easy to use, and it's just a really easy, nice looking app. And if you're a user of Product Hunt, this app, I highly recommend you check out their Android app. So yeah, those are the top Android apps for the month of February. I hope guys enjoy it, and as always, I will be posting the app links in the description below, so you guys go check them out later. And as always, it'll be really awesome if you guys could subscribe, or even better, like the video. So that's it for now, guys, and I will see you guys later. Peace.